All right, parents, I need you out.
Environment and local oil. The message from Calgary Cycle, the Turkey and Santa Clara and your city.
All right, stop. Stanford. Single file, guys.
Single file.
With the kickoff at 7:30 p.m. Get your tickets at SJEarthquakes.com. T-Mobile and the Earthquakes have teamed up to the T-Mobile 4G Power Zone, located in Section 107. $15 tickets for all Earthquakes home games are available exclusively at over 41 T-Mobile locations. $9 off the day of game ticket price. It's the T-Mobile 4G Power Zone, the most affordable ticket at Buckshot Stadium. Visit SJEarthquakes.com for more details.
Hey Trace fans, this is John Lewis. This season, the Earthquakes
in Kona is a beautiful 82 degrees. Alaska Airlines, with low fares and daily non-stop flights from San Jose to Honolulu, Kauai, Kona, and Maui. Check out alaskaair.com. Number 18, John. Defender.
For the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Thank you, Carrie Brandon.
If we each do our part, together we can make a difference and improve our communities. One at a time. And it starts with you. It starts with you. And it starts with you. With you. Unite. Volunteer. Serve. Visit www.mlssoccer.
Once you change your car's oil, the job is only half done. Make sure to properly recycle used motor oil and motor filters at an approved drop-off center. Go to hhw.org or call 408-299-7300 to find a location near you. Properly and safely the job right and helps protect the environment and local waterways. A message from Calgary Cycle, the County of Santa Clara, and your city. T-Mobile and the Earthquakes have teamed up for the T-Mobile 4G Power Zone, located in Section 107. $15 tickets for all Earthquakes home games are available exclusively at over 4,000 square feet of state-of-the-art meeting space, presented with the perfect balance of contemporary and traditional design. For more information, visit fairmont.com/San Jose.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I have a basic prepaid card, and this is how I go. Working full-time and being a mom keeps me really busy. Picking my boy up at school is definitely the highlight of my day. I just love it. all my errands get done at night and the weekend. My money has to be there when I need it. I've got direct deposit on my Visa prepaid card, so on payday, the money just goes in. My focus needs to be on my family. It's that simple.
More people go with Visa.
Off the Wall Soccer, the Silicon Valley's epicenter of soccer, invites you to visit its Santa Clara Arena. Off the Wall Soccer offers Kids Love soccer classes for two. And 65,000 square feet of state-of-the-art meeting space, presented with the perfect balance of contemporary and traditional design. For more information, visit Fairmont.com/San Jose. Epicenter for indoor soccer. Off the Wall Soccer in Santa Clara. Visit offthewallsoccer.com.
Hey Mom, I want to say Happy Mother's Day and I want to thank you for everything you've done for me growing up.
Hola mami, quiero desear un feliz Día de las Madres. Gracias por todo tu apoyo. Te quiero mucho y te mando un beso.
Just want to shout you and we appreciate all your support.
All right, let's count down the last 10 seconds for the kids here. 10, 9, 8. 3, 2, and that's going to do it. One more big round of applause for the members of the Evergreen United for participating in today's halftime game. And remember, if your team would like to take the